Yeah.
Movie's ready.
Hold on. Let me get some crisps. Nothing. Oi, 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 oi. I don't think we have any. Nothing. Just nuts. Jonathan,
Yeah.
didn't we have crisp or something? What movie we were gonna watch?
It's called Six Underground. It's with Ryan Reynolds, so
Tell you what, we
obviously gonna be good.
yeah, I like the actor. Listen, we got no crisps. Didn't you or mommy
Yeah,
told me
yeah,
that we
we-
bought something? I cannot find it. Can you find it? Can you look for me?
No, please.
I look where we usually put it. There's nothing.
Well, you don't need to know where to look.
I'll tell you, man. I need something to sgranocchiare when I watch a movie or something.
I normally hide this.
Why will they put on the pants? I don't understand. Yeah, that's where we
Yeah,
usually
this is
put
normally
it.
where we put it, right? Unless, I mean, sometimes.
So we don't have it.
I don't think so.
Well, I need the crisp. I mean, we need crisp. We've been waiting this movie for some time.
We have the potatoes.
I like where this is going. So
You know what I'm thinking, right? You know what I'm thinking.
yeah,
Alright, let's make some crisps.
let's make some crisps. That's what I like. Good thing we got potatoes.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
Uh-huh.
So what are you doing?
Just washing that potato.
Are we gonna peel them off or?
No, I think we should leave them like that because, you know, I think...
I like the idea. Proper. You know when you buy the. Well, this is crisp. We are gonna make some crisp, but when you buy the chips and you find the skin, that's proper. So what's the steps? We wash them.
We wash them, we wash them, we cut them, and then we fry them. That's how simple it is. And then we're putting in a season of like salt or pepper or something.
We slice them, yeah, and then yeah, I think we have paprika. We can maybe try or no, maybe just simple salt and pepper. Okay, let's go because I want to watch the movie soon.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Let's slice them.
Okay, I washed my potatoes. See here? I have this lovely tool that easily cuts the potato into like really thin slices. So I'm going to show you how to use one. So,
Why did you change the shirt? You
Pardon?
change it. I see you changed the shirt.
yeah, it's to be more comfortable, you know. You've got to be comfortable in your cooking.
Well,
There's other-
comfortable to slice potatoes.
Yeah, obviously, I mean. Alright,
Okay,
anyway,
let's see.
so we have our potato here.
Now,
We have-
back in the old days, we used to do it with a very sharp knife or one by one.
Yeah, we have our grinder.
Make sure they slack. I don't know. We just bought this. We never use it, so
Yeah.
see how it works.
Yeah, this is our first time. Anyway, let's see how
Yeah,
this thing
just
works.
it should go. Let me go.
And check.
Does it work?
Okay. Nice, it's a very well thin slices.
It's like Pringles. Oh, that's it.
I think that's it, yeah.
Now we're leaving the skin because why not? Seriously, it looks like Pringles. I think it'll be slower maybe.
Well, the potato keeps flying away.
Okay, so let's continue. So that's all we got to do. So 2 minutes just to finish all those potatoes, and
that's
then we're ready to fry.
Okay, look at these perfectly sized potatoes. Pringles. They're like
They look
Pringles.
Pringles, yeah. We made a lot.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna bring some to school.
Come on, we gotta watch the movie soon. Let's hurry up.
Okay. So,
What are you gonna do next?
so welcome. This is a mini house tour. So here we have a sink. Yeah, sink. So I'm gonna wash these because there's a lot of starch in
So
there.
you're gonna leave them in cold water
Yeah.
just to wash them off, try to reduce the starch, I suppose.
Yeah.
Okay. The oil, I'm gonna start soon. I think they need to be covered in water.
Wait, let's try and submerge all of them.
Yeah.
You can already see the starch coming out.
Right.
Okay, so as you can see here, I submerged them fully in water. And then I'm gonna leave these to remove all the starch, ready for frying.
All right.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna put.
Okay, we're ready. All done. We're ready. So those are ready, nice and washed and dried. Oil is ready. Let's go. Try to divide them if you can. Faster. Don't worry. Put more.
Ow.
Put more. Reduce. Yeah, use less space. Don't worry because they will separate.
More?
Yeah, one more batch. Let's see. Okay, let them
One
fry.
for luck.
One for luck.
These should cook pretty fast, quick, right?
Yeah, and the beautiful thing is that you don't have to turn. I think they are like deep frying stuff. Reduce a little bit fire. You don't want it to. You should do a little bit of sizzling, like not too far. Yeah, that's coming good. I can smell already. So we're gonna make this what? Salt and pepper, or just salt,
Or salt and pepper.
or just salt.
Or just salt and pepper.
Anyway, the movie's waiting, so we need to hurry up. We got a long batch to go,
You
but
got
this,
so much.
yeah, but this is gonna take what? Probably
5 minutes.
2, 3, so 5-6 minutes each cooking. So probably 20 minutes we're done.
Yeah.
All right. Let's continue and then see the final result.
Okay, so these are done. Look at the nice color. So I think we have time. It's time
Yeah.
to take them out.
Different color, but they looks like the real crisp, because the real crisp they have all different color. Yeah, let's put them there. Good job.
Try to not break.
The oil reduce temperature. That's because we put I think all of them in one go, but it's gonna increase again. I'll tell you, the shape looks exactly the same. Okay, pick up the rest. Not too bad. Okay, let's go to the next batch until the end.
Okay, so they are done. So
Have you been eating?
no.
It seems less than before.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sure, you say. Yeah. I'll tell you what, I like the color.
Yeah.
It becomes clearer after. Now they're with oil, when they dry out, they become a little bit clearer, so that's good.
Okay, Dad. Let's try the crunchiness.
I want to hear it. Let's see
Look
how
at that,
crunchy
it
they are. No, I say I want to hear it. Okay, get another one. I want to hear the crick croak.
Right. Get free.
Go. I don't hear anything. Come on. Are you doing on purpose? So you can have more?
Maybe.
We didn't solve them yet.
That was a charm.
Oh, that's the nice crunchiness. We'll see.
And the fourth one? Yeah.
I think that's enough for crunchiness.
Maybe
Okay.
one more, because this one looks good.
Okay, it works, yeah.
If you know, maybe try that one.
We still need to solve them. Leave some for the movie.
And they taste good without salt, which is kind of surprising.
So, salt and pepper only. No paprika, nothing else. I say leave it for the movie.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, that's fall down. No, no, no. You cannot put it there. It's mine.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's go.
Yeah,
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh, okay, sure.
On the camera it looks darker, but actually perfect color. Let's go. Let's go. Let's start the movie. After you, sir. Ah, finally this movie. Let me tell you something. Next time probably we buy the crisp before start the movie.
Yeah.
Okay?
Volume all the way up to about 80. And I think I'll take these all for me.
Enjoy.
You can go buy some, I guess.
What if I told you?
That's all for you. Well, enjoy the movie.
You become a ghost,
Ryan Reynolds, everybody.
trapped in a shadow.
Thank you for the crisp, Jonathan.
You're welcome.
Alla prossima. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
A world of whispers.